Yeah, hi guys. So welcome back to my class. Welcome to my channel. So today we'll be treating project 0x00C Hello World. But here we'll be treating the tax 5 that is Hello Print. So uh, our task is to write a C program that prints exactly with proper grammar, but the outcome is a piece of art followed by a new line. Now we are told to use printf here. You can use then you are not allowed to use the function put. Then your program should return 0. Your program should also compile without warning when using the minus word GCC option. Then you write your answer into this 5.printf. So now what I'm going to do is that our previous project, this hello put. So I'm going to be copying a command and save as if like an archive so that I can always refer to it and get my codes there. So I will just quickly vi into this our previous file output so I can copy vi. Okay, so I will edit. Okay, so I only need this code from here down to this place. So I will copy because I need it. I will need it in this one. So I can always use it as reference. So I can now create WQ. Okay. So this now I can now create something like maybe VI. Let me just choose something to represent where I'll be saving it. Let's say text. So when I do this, so I will edit. I'll just paste my code inside. So that is it. I will save. But I can always make reference to it. So now, instead of me typing that code every time, I'll just use my code at text. Then I'll be writing it into a file. That's the main project now. Into this file now. So it's going to create and put that code inside. Okay, so I press enter. So once I press enter, it's going to copy what is inside this text file into this. So I press enter. So now I can now vi 5 print f.c. Automatically you can see that the files are there. So now I'm going to be editing this now. So I come here. Oh, I should have even copied that main void as well, but no issues. So int main void, then enter once, then I put brackets. So enter once. So print. So we should use printf. Then I'll open my parentheses. Then this. So I'll copy this. So this time around, I'll paste. Is there a comma? Okay, there's a comma there. So I'll use my backslash, then n, and I'm going to close. And I close my parentheses. So I press enter once, then return. Just as if we are editing what we have previously, but a little different. So open my parentheses, 0, then you close it. Then your semicolon and enter. So you close this one to indicate that you are done with what you're doing. So now you can close and share and do your necessary things. So let me close escape colon WQ. Okay. So okay, so I'm going to be compiling GCC this file, copy that. Then I want to save the output as or into this file GCC. So without the .c, sorry. Okay. Okay, so we can now check with ls. So you can see now. So it is there already. So we can now git add. Then we can commit, git commit dash, and then our commit message. That's hello printf. Okay. So now we can push, git push. So that's all. Let's check our code and see. All right, so we can see our code is fine and beautiful. So that is all for hello printf. So thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. Make sure you give a thumbs up. Make sure you give a comment and let us know how we are doing. So thank you. I see you in the next videos.